If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. To apply formatting to only selected controls in either Design View or Layout View for forms and reports in Access, select the controls to format. Then apply the desired formatting choices from the Font, Number, Background, and Control Formatting button groups that appear on the Format tab of the Form Design or Layout Tools or Report Design or Layout Tools contextual tab in the ribbon. Alternatively, to apply themed formatting to all form or report controls, select choices from the Themes, Colors, and Fonts drop-downs in the Themes button group on the Design tab of the Form Design or Layout Tools contextual tab in the ribbon to apply your choices to all controls in the form or report. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.